Do you want to make your portfolio look professional and appealing so that you can easily attract potential clients? Then watch this entire video and you will be able to create a great portfolio website for yourself. Now we are in home dashboard of Canva. Here you find website. Just click on that and here you will find variety of website that you can make with the help of Canva. Here is website, portfolio website, event website, education website, many more. But here we are going to select portfolio website. Just click on that and here is our blank canvas. And beside this you will find a pre-made template over there. Just you click on that and it gets added to your blank canvas, or you can build it from scratch. But here I am going to select which one I like, scrolling down, and I think this is pretty much cool. So we are going to add this and just apply all 8 pages. Click on that, it gets added to your canvas. Here 8-page website is ready. Just you need to customize this little bit. Like here I am going to change according to myself. You can change according to your taste. Like here the name, I am going to give the channel name like this, and in place of this photo we are going to select another one. We go into element section and here's I search for a man. In photo section we are going to select this one, adjusting little bit. The theme is black and white, so we have to change its color. So go into edit images. We need to remove their background also. So here you will find, get the new Canva editor. Here you find background remover. Just click over that. But this feature is only available for Canva Pro. You can check out my previous video where you can get Canva Pro access free. Just link is given in I button and description also. Like here you can see that background is properly removed and it's time to change its color. Go into photo, edit photo section, and here in filter section see all. In mono here is classic, like photos change into black and white and it looks pretty cool. We are ready with increase its size. You can add your sign over there in corner like this, but change its font size, font style. You can change its font style. Go into handwriting section and here you can select anyone. Like I choose this one. Next send it backward like this, and beside this you put what you are serving. Like here college hustler, portfolio, illustrator, designer. Next next part is a little about me. Here you change this photo from anywhere, this also, and here you can change your detail according to you. Like here I am a freelance graphic designer currently based in India. I have been working in graphic design for past 10 years. No, it's only 2. Has only in the past 3 years we decided to focus. Past 3 months we can say it. Our second page is ready, and third is work experience. Here you are adding, here you describe about your work experience like agency work or freelance work, and just make little changes. You are ready to go. Here you can again change the photo with yourself. Next page is of skill and expertise. This is very essential part of your portfolio. Show present it beautifully. Like here there is a presented graphic designing, logo design, brand identity, poster design. You can make similar like this beside also, and here you can put like I also can make a presentation and the things you can offer. Here you can, and in next section is an essential and crucial part of the portfolio where you present your previous art. But here I want to say you a thing that don't present your works directly here, just because I will show you one thing, like I am removing these pictures from here, and next we are going to add something like this, which is in upload section. I have, like here you can see that this one, this picture, this is not simply a business card, but this is a mock-up. This is called mock-up, means not just presented here, but it is presented in a way that how it looks physically. So how I made this, just see little bit, like here create a new design, and here we go, we search for YouTube thumbnail, and here is our blank canvas. In this we are going to add 4 double-sided business card. We are going to present it in mockups so that it looks beautifully cool, like here in upload section I have uploaded previously designs, like here front part, then again next. Through this way you can present your works beautifully, and also more works in a single photo, like this. Here I choose this, and next we are going to make the mockups of this. How we make it, like here just go into edit photo, and here on in bottom you find apps in mockups, just click on that, and here, but it is showing there is an issue at our end. I think there is an issue. Again try this, it's showing again error. So in last you find you are using the new photo editor, then revert to the old editor. Now this is the Canva old editor, and here is also a mockup present here. Scroll down and here you find, wait, where is a mockup? Yeah, here is a smart mockups, see all. Just scroll down and here you find popular, like how your design looks in phone, laptop or business card. If it prints in a t-shirt or a cup, how it seems. This is called mockups. You can see that which one you like, you can just click on that, and this your design got saved into this. Like I am going to select this one, poster head called. Like here you can see that your design is hanged into wall and it looks cool. Yes, like this. Here you can see that, like this. Try this for this image. Like here we just scroll down and here we get like this. Like here I am going to choose another smart mockups for this. Like here I think this go well for this. This is for business card, so I think this is very well fitted for this. Wait, it takes little time. I designed this the same way I have presented. And next, double-sided business card, and in next section I am going to add logo design, same as I have make a mock-up like this. Here I presented 4 design of logo, and that is like this. This is also business card but in portrait shape, and here I can say that portrait double-sided. Here I can say that portrait double-sided business card. Now my art section is ready. Here you can see that in minimum area we presented our design beautifully, and next section is I was created to create. Here any tagline to encourage yourself, or and here next page is for other project. You can also attach any other things you can offer. Like here I am going to select for social media. I can design also. Next service I can offer is I can design ad for social, just grouping all this and just tilting right like this. For that project, here you can write about what you are offering up services, and in last here is work with me, or you want to work with me. Here is your present your contact details. Here you can add your photos like this. Your portfolio is ready with a free Canva, and from here you can preview it. I am going to see how our website is looking. Our website will look like this. Little about me, second page, and work experience, skill and expertise, my arts. These are looking cool, and I was created. Next section, and last is work with me or call to action. And if you want to see it in mobile, here it looks like this. Canva is pretty cool. It offers really very helpful features free. Here you can also publish your website online. Like here I go, just click on publish website, and here with navigation means you can also attach any links to your website. Like here, if you want to add a link to real website, here just highlight that part, and next wait, edit design, go into, and here just highlight the part. Next there is a link given, and just click on that, and here you can paste the links. Like here you can see that now this is a link. You can just click on that and it lands to the destination website. This time I can publish website, and here with navigation, and the free domain is provided by Canva. Then click on continue, and here you can edit your URL. Means the last this part you can edit, means what you want you can write here, and you can write little description over there. And enable protection means, do you want to add password to this website or not, or you want to hide this from search engine, means this website is hosted in Canva free domain. Will this website be ranked in search engine or not? Just click on publish, and boom, your website got placed. It take little time. Till then you hit the like button and subscribe also. Here you can see that your website link, just copy that, and here you can view website. It just land to a next tab, and here is our website. It looks cool. You can see this is your particular website. Go into new tab and search with that link. Here you get your website got hosted. Don't forget to subscribe this channel College Hustler. I will catch up in next one.